How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make a girl laugh over text. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the easiest way to make a girl laugh over text has to be using memes, you guys. Memes are the best way to make a girl laugh. The reason being is they are short, concise, and to the point, you guys. I call them memes. I guess they're memes. Same thing. A lot of people make fun of me because I call them memes, but that's funny. They're memes. Same thing. They make people laugh and they're easy to use. Anyone can pick a meme and it will generally be very funny. Now, to pick the memes, you want to pick something that both of you have in common or something that she likes. That way you can easily make her laugh. If she's into fitness, send her a funny meme of a guy dropping a barbell or a guy passing out or something like that. Or let's say she's into hunting. You can send her a funny meme of a deer talking about something or a moose yelling or something like that, you guys. So again, the main thing is finding out what she likes. That's very important. Then using memes. Memes, hands down, are the best way to make a girl laugh over text. Next tip is to listen and remember some stuff about her, you guys, such as personal things. Then you can poke fun at some of her blunders or some funny things that have happened to her. Maybe she got something stuck in her braces when she was a kid. Maybe she fell out of a tree and had to get stitches. Maybe she got poked in the eye as a kid and had to wear an eye patch. You could call her a pirate or something like that. I don't know. Pick anything and have a sense of humor about it. Trust me, it will work out. If you listen, care, and just use those memes, you can just take the time to show her that you want to be with her, and you can easily get her to laugh. Trust me on this, you guys. Trust me. If you really want to make her laugh, just do that. Really golden information here. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.